Let's have a look at overloading and helper methods. As we can see, Java has a lot of classes, or as we say, packages. I name it packages. I have a Python background. For each occasion, for handling dates, months, lists, and so on. I'm going to start a new chat to avoid mixing different topics, and I could ask in old dialogue the questions or exercises on this particular topic. Otherwise, I will receive a very various mixture of different topics. So I'm about to ask, give me simplest real-life examples of using overload methods in Java. Give a small code with calculating area overloading. So hopefully that
Is there Russian?
Yeah. So Russian subtitles are coming later. So as you can see, the simple version, so-called simple version, is over here, but that looks intimidating. Let's try this one, and then obviously it will throw an error, but who cares? Let's have a look. Obviously I'm declaring too many classes inside each other, and I'm telling I'm not declaring, I'm telling what side is. So let's try this one, and see what will happen. Okay, let's remove all right, so here is the main program, which defines in which order these commands will be executed, and it provides some values. So for me, it is better to start with the main. and then call other functions. And now I'm going to check whether brackets are correct. So let's have a look. No errors. What a pity. Okay. Now I'm going to exclude, everything else is self-explanatory, but let's have a look how this one is done. So area calculator is a class. What is AC? Obviously, this is this is the name of variable which is chosen by programmer. So area calculator is the name given by us. And calculate area is a function that is built in. Calculate area. For example, if I would let's remove circle and well, it doesn't matter actually. And I leave only rectangle. Yes, everything works. Then I see that AC is the variable and it can be changed by programmer. Obviously, yes, so now this is another variable, and as a physicist I can't see numbers without units. So what else could we change here? For example, we could replace maybe something like this. Let's see what happens. How many errors do we get? No errors. So as you can see, these words can be changed. If we change, for example, this one, it will give us an error. And the reason is very simple.
You have moved out the interesting case with the circle. There was used the Boolean, and I would like to see it. Can you change it, please?
Yes. So the calculate area is built-in function, which is appended by the dot to variable or list or stream. So if we're going to use Boolean,
Just use the circle formula. And the circle, yes.
Yeah, so for example, we are going, but I have deleted values as well. So for a circle, we have this one, and we also can, yeah, so is everything. Okay, stop.
That's not the answer.
Yes, so we changed the name. Right, so first of all, we don't need that type of precision for for the circle. Okay, but these are aesthetical requirements. What would you like to see with the circle?
There was a boolean in the solving method. See, but I don't see it right. Up. Double length.
Yeah, that's the beginning.
No, it has disappeared.
It was double.
It was double and the boolean.
But Boolean values can be true or false.
Yes.
And
maybe I misunderstood something.
we can distinguish between positive and negative values, and to use Boolean logic. And for example, print result. And then obviously we need to specify in the main file that, for example, this is true. So in and here we give him some values. Yes, and the condition. Conditions go inside each subroutine. For example, if we print calculate the area of yeah, so here we get condition if in round brackets. If print result, and this is it. So if it exists, just only in this case, that was the circle, print out, otherwise return this one. All right, so I comment out all the rectangles because some errors could jump in when he has unspecified input. So let's have a look. Okay, yes. Yeah, now brackets are balanced. And cannot find a symbol. Yes, so we have changed a lot, so I'm going to copy the entire code and to check whether this works, and then to and what is the difference between pushing main part in the beginning and in the end? So it doesn't matter where the main is. For small learning exercises, put main at the top. Thank you. And large programs, put main at the bottom. Very good. Thank you very much. So yeah, that's why I like main to be in the first lines of the code. And let's play with these values. Say we have 142, and maybe this one is false. What will happen? And again, circle area is false, only 2 lines, and so here is the way to use Boolean logic. So now we are going to find primes. And then play with letters and with calendar. So let's try this portion, and I'm going to exclude calculations of area. And now let's have a look at primes. So obviously we need to import a lot of things. Yes. And obviously a lot of things. Expected, yes, yes. Semicolons. All right, so just list, okay. What I have to do, I'm asking ChatGPT in order to get some idea. Unnamed class. Array list, of course, array list. Just a portion of this code, and let's have a look what it will produce. Okay. Alright. Let's try this one. And now it works. obviously, there was a conflict of brackets. So, what could we change? Obviously, this is the name that was given by a programmer, and all blue ones are built-in functions. So the difference between this code finding primes is that main declaration and importing packages. And please tell what are built-in properties, classes, methods, or whatever, and which of them can be renamed by programmer. So I'm going to understand his logic and obviously asking some questions about alternative ways to achieving the same thing in more optimal way. So he is duplicating the code. So as you can see, find primes up to is programmer defined, so it's arbitrary. So this is a new object. This is data type. And so on. So are there any other ways to achieve the same goal? Why did you implement the code exactly this way? Because we could do it with cycles, arrays,